The COVID-19 pandemic has certainly brought its challenges. While our faculty and staff have worked to ensure the integrity of a BGSU education, we also recognize the importance of public health throughout this pandemic. The university's priorities remains the health and safety of our community. As president and as an alumnus of BGSU, one of the most difficult decisions we made was moving our in-person commencement to a virtual celebration for our May, August, and December graduates. We made a promise then to those new alumni that they would have an invitation to return to Bowling Green when we were able to resume in-person ceremonies. And today I am pleased to share that we are exploring in-person commencement exercises for this spring. We certainly know a lot more about this virus today than at the onset of this global pandemic. Assuming that COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations continue to decline and vaccine distribution continues to increase, we are going to find a way forward. Our in-person commencement exercises will look and feel differently this spring. These ceremonies will be unlike any other. Let me be clear, as we continue to explore our in-person exercises, we are committed to some guiding principles. These ceremonies, rain or shine, will be held here, outdoors, right here at the Deutsch Perry Stadium. It's kind of a throwback to how we hosted ceremonies decades ago. There will be multiple ceremonies occurring Friday, April 30th to Sunday, May 2nd. The ceremonies will accommodate a smaller group of graduates with limited guest capacity. The ceremony format will be adjusted to ensure we follow health and safety protocols, and graduates will still cross the stage and receive their diploma cover. For those students and guests who are not able to attend in person, we will continue to offer a virtual celebration this spring to the graduates of Spring 21. Above all, we will work closely with the Wood County Health Department and the Ohio Department of Health to execute these in-person events. We are committed to following any commencement guidelines by the Ohio Department of Health at the time of the event. All 2020 and May 21 graduates are invited to attend these in-person commencement exercises. To ensure we can appropriately plan, we need our graduates to complete a two-step RSVP process. First, we will have emailed our graduates at their BGSU address and need their response to our commencement participation interest form. This will help us better understand the possible attendance and capacity for the spring ceremonies. Our graduates must complete this form by Wednesday, March 10th. Following the review of the responses, we will determine the number of ceremonies needed, along with the dates, start times, and capacity. We will then reach back out to our graduates for a final RSVP with the ceremony options in late March. As of today, these are our intentions for spring commencement. We will remain flexible and adaptable as we work through our commencement planning. If that planning changes due to COVID-19 restrictions, you will hear from me first. It is my sincere hope that we can see you in Bowling Green for commencement this spring. To our 2020 alumni and May 21 graduates, I Ziggy Zoom.